So it's your girl Aya coming to you guys today with their wig review being brought to you by Ywigs. They were kind enough to send me out a cute little unit for you guys so I can review. Now you guys know I'm typically a little leery about the human hair wigs because I don't like putting in that much effort and work into a wig. I rather just throw on and go. But like I always tell you dolls, you definitely need at least 3 to 4 good human hair wigs that you need in your collection, because sometimes the synthetic wigs just don't do it. So Ywigs comes packaged just like this. You're gonna get it nicely packaged in this cute little box. Your wig is going to when it's in the box, it's going to be in this plastic area. Now the wig that was sent to me is going to be a 13x6 frontal 14-inch natural water wave. So I have it in a water wave pattern, and it did come with a stocking cap. So let me show you guys the wig. I do like the packaging. The packaging is very nice and sleek. So here is the wig itself. It's 14 inches. Oh my goodness, look at these curls. It's so pretty. Very, very good density. This density is 150. She is going to come with, let me show you guys the construction. So you're going to get 2 combs here in the front, a comb in the back. You still get the adjustable straps, but your straps are going to be on the inside of the cap. And then she also comes with the elastic band. Now the elastic band is adjustable. It's going to be like a bra strap adjuster. So it has a pretty good security on it. So I don't think I'm gonna have to glue this down, but we never know. Here is the stretch. So it comes like on a nice mesh cap. So actually, you know what? Yeah, here's your 13x6 frontal area. Of course, you can bleach it, dye it, and all the other stuff, because this is, this is not a synthetic. This is human hair. So you know what? She comes with baby hairs. I don't think I have to pluck the hairline, but you never know. But I don't think initially I will pluck it. I'm not too familiar with bleaching knots and all that, so I'm definitely not going to do that. But this is the wig itself. I do love the curls. They're very, very bouncy. And I'm going to just run my fingers through it. I'm getting a little resistance, and I'm guessing that's because, the curls are so tightly packed in the packaging. So just give me one moment. Let me take this wig off and throw her on for y'all, okay? Okay, so I have the wig on. Initially, I cannot really complain about it. Like I said, just, with no product or anything on it, I do love how the wig feels. Now, of course, me running my fingers through it, I am getting a little bit of shedding, but not too much shedding. That's to be expected. This is a human hair wig, so yes, it will shed, but it's not going to shed like a synthetic wig would, of course. This wig is really, really nice. Let's talk about the hairline. So you do get baby hairs. It looks like it's slightly pre-plucked, so I definitely don't have to go in and pluck it too much in the front, but it does come with baby hairs, as you guys can see. And I haven't even added my powder foundation, and it's looking really, really nice, dolls. So I don't think I'm gonna have a lot of work to do with this wig. Of course, I am going to have to go in with some water and things like that. But for the most part, I do love the hairline of this wig. It's not, nothing crazy looking or anything like that. It's actually pretty simple. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and customize her, style her here on camera. I'm gonna go get my water and stuff, because we got to see what we can do with this baby, because she's really, really pretty, dolls. I really, really like this wig. So just give me one moment. We're gonna go ahead and do something with this hairline, and then I'm gonna come and talk to y'all in a minute. So hold on one moment for me. Alright, so the hair is freshly washed, slightly damp still. I did not allow it to completely air dry. I'm going to go ahead and just use 2 products. I don't want the wig to be weighed down. I'm going to use some curl defining mousse and some argan oil just to protect the curl definition further. This hair is very high quality, so it's not, it doesn't have any frayed ends or anything like that. The ends are very healthy. The hair is healthy in itself, and that's what I do like about it. Even though this is a very affordable wig, you're not going to get a cheap product at all. y'all, so I have finished messing with my Ywigs 14-inch water wave. She comes packaged like this in a cute little box. I really love the packaging. It's very nice and sleek. So here she is. She is all air dried. Look at these curls. They are really, really nice and bouncy. As you can see, look at that. Look at that bounce. I did go ahead and I added my powder foundation. I did not bleach or anything, and so let me show you. Let me take off the mannequin. Give me one moment. Alright, so I just added my powder foundation, and this is what it looks like. So I really love the lace in this wig. I love these curls. They're so nice and bouncy. I didn't, like I said, I didn't pluck or tweeze or anything, just powder foundation. I love the fact that this comes with like the adjustable bra strap, because it helps fits in my head really good. So I love that. The strap can come off if you rather just utilize the adjustable straps in the back. You can definitely do so, and you do get adjustable straps, but the adjustable straps are hidden within here. Now, I will tell you this, upon washing and things like that, I did get some shedding, of course. It wasn't excessively shedding, but I did get some shedding, so I just want to let you dolls know I did get some shedding. Of course, I will have all the purchase links down in the description box. Also, this wig is under $200 if I'm not mistaken, and look at that. The quality is really nice. The hair wash is really good. I didn't have any problems with it, so just give me one moment. Let me go ahead and throw her on, and then we finish talking about her, okay? Styling the wig. I chose to leave it down. I did put it in a ponytail, as you saw in the previous clip. It looked very natural in a ponytail. So let me just give you the specs on what I was sent. So Ywigs sent me out their Glueless short curly Brazilian human hair wig. I have it in a 14-inch length. The cap construction is going to be a 13x6 lace front with a medium cap, elastic band, and 150% density. I love this wig, okay, dolls? So this wig is under $200. From the specs that I have received, I went onto the website and it was showing $154. That's right, $154 for this gorgeously textured unit. I love the curls. I love the fact that it is a glueless lace front, so you don't have to utilize any glue, no tape, nothing like that, unless you really wanted to. I have not used any adhesive whatsoever. I utilized the combs and the adjustable strap that was provided, and boom, this is how it fits. I did add my powder foundation underneath the lace, and that's what it looks like. I will show you some parting space up in here, but your parting space goes all the way back here, so you can part it all the way back here, so you can do a half up, half down. You can do a really deep exaggerated side part, you can do a middle part, left part, whatever you choose, you can do it, okay? As far as shedding, yes, this wig did shed initially. It's not shedding right now, which is a good thing. This hair, I did allow it to air dry, and this is how it looks air dried. As you can see, the curls have loosened up and they just look so gorgeous. They're still nice, light, and bouncy, as you can see. Look at that. I am getting a little bit of tangling, but as you can see, my fingers are running very easily through the wig, so I'm loving that. Give me one moment. Sorry about that, y'all. I'm loving that. But look at that. You can't tell me this is not gorgeously done, okay? So y'all know I'm very selective about what I put here on my channel, and I highly recommend this company. The customer service is great. This wig was delivered to me via DHL, so I do want to just let you guys know that. I love the density and feel of this hair. It's so nice and soft. So yes, dolls, very affordable, under $200. You definitely can ball on a budget with this. You know, if you're looking for a good human hair wig, and I always tell you dolls that please get you at least 3 to 4 human hair wigs in your collection. So if you're able to splurge with $150 on some hair, go ahead and do so. I will leave all purchase links down below in the description box. But yes, let's talk in the comments about this gorgeousness here. Oh my goodness, I am loving this hair. It's so doggone pretty. Very, very vacation ready, poolside ready. You can go to day parties with this. You can definitely, you know, hit up the bar with your girls or your man. Like, everybody will dang near ask you what hair you got and where you get it from, okay? Because this is so pretty. It's so natural looking. I don't have any problems with this hair whatsoever, okay? And y'all know me. Like I said, y'all know I'm very picky sometimes. So, yes, hunty. Oof. Baby. All right, so I'm gonna stop rambling on. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this hair on me. Of course, in the comments, we will talk. Let's discuss, dolls. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I am Aya All Day on Facebook and Instagram. Once again, Aya All Day on Facebook and Instagram. And those links will be left in the description box as well. But yes, baby, I am loving this. You can't tell me nothing, okay? I'm about to go take a dip in the pool with this hair. So, y'all, I will talk to y'all later. Another review. Bye.